Hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So the shift 2 of Feb 25 has been over now. So I am here with the analysis after getting so much feedback from the student who have appeared for the shift 2. So I am here with an analysis of shift 2. So I will discuss expected cutoff, a student reaction, and more importantly what are the main topic from which question have been asked, that is more number of question has been asked, so that you can watch this video and get the information so that you can use this if your shift is next. I will also discuss the difficulty level, and so I will discuss the marks versus percentile, which what will be the marks versus percentile for this shift and what will be the expected cutoff. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it. You will get all type of video regarding the JEE Main 2021 in this channel, and also about other entrance exam, and I will do the similar type of video for all the shift as I have done earlier for yesterday shift. So and next I will upload this very soon about the shift 2 solution. You will get all the questions solved in a PDF. You will get the video very soon, so subscribe this channel. You will get that video very soon. As I got the solution, I will provide the video so that you can estimate yourself how much marks you are going to get. So and you can also ask if, any question if you have in the comment section or my Instagram. You will get the ID. So let's start the video. So friends, there is a request, please subscribe this channel for comedy content. This is my friend's channel. You will get the link in the description box. So label and expected cutoff as the student have suggested, so according to that I will talk in this video. So chemistry was moderate to hard. This is the important information. Yesterday also the shift 2 exam, the chemistry was moderate to hard. That makes the whole paper moderate to hard, because the chemistry, everyone think chemistry will be easier, easier, and it is always easier. All in the previous year chemistry was the easiest one among the three subjects, so all students think it is scorable. But now as the student have suggested that chemistry was moderate to hard, so I think the paper was also become moderate to hard due to the chemistry paper. And so you can think there will be effect on cutoff also due to this. So and there was inorganic weightage more, so you can learn the inorganic chapter, because inorganic chapter is only of the memorization. So how much you can learn, you should do the a study of the NCERT book, so that you can easily answer those inorganic question, and try to focus on the NCERT book for inorganic as well as for the last two chapter, that is biomolecule, polymer, and environmental chemistry. So the direct question from NCERT question has been there for the chemistry. So this is all about the chemistry paper as I got the information. So physics was moderate. It was also in the first shift and also yesterday for first and second shift, because physics was easy to moderate. But here I am getting the review that the physics was moderate and more formula based question. So more formula based question, and it is from the modern physics. So you can think from the 12th syllabus, all the question has been asked, that is formula based, that is from modern physics. So you can do the modern physics syllabus if you haven't covered it yet, that will give you more marks. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, that please focus on the class 12 syllabus more, because the NTA has focused on class 12 syllabus, as they also know that the class 11 syllabus is not covered for many students. So you just need to focus on class 12 syllabus more. If you are a board student, then it will benefit both ways, that your board marks also will be increased and you will get good marks in JEE also. So math was also moderate, and around 8 question was easy from the topics such as permutation, combination, probability, and all the easy topics such as mathematical reasoning, 3D, and matrices determinant. So you can easily focus on the easy topics. So overall paper was similar to the Fab 24 shift 2, that is yesterday evening shift. So there is a similarity between the first shift and second shift, as I have done the analysis of first shift of both the days. So there is similarity that chemistry was easy, and physics was moderate, and math was little tougher. So in the so is the case in the second shift. Yesterday also chemistry was moderate to hard, and now today also chemistry was moderate to hard. So you can prepare accordingly if your shift is morning or evening shift, that is tomorrow. So you can get the benefit of that. And I will also upload the video on shift 2 25th very soon about the all the solution, so you can get the solution also. If you can't solve the question, you will also get the question information from which topic have been question asked more. And as I got the information, I have provided in this video that for chemistry you should focus on inorganic, and for physics modern physics, and for math you should focus on the easy topics such as permutation, combination, probability, and all the easy topics such as mathematical reasoning, and all what you think the easy topic for you. So because the when the because NTA focus on try focuses to cover all the possible syllabus that they can, so there will be question from each topic, as you also uh, as you also can see in the question paper. So cover all the easy topic. As I told, I again advise you cover all the easy topic, that will give you good marks and you will not score negative marking in that topic. So that will increase your marks. And so what will be the cutoff? So the cutoff will be remain similar to the second shift of 24th Feb, that is the cutoff will go down for this shift as the last year, and from the shift 1 also. So I have made the video on cutoff for each and every category, and marks versus percentile versus your category rank. In that video I have talked in detail. You will get there all the information, so try to check that video. And for this shift you can think that the cutoff will go somehow uh, somehow lower from that the information have been provided in that video. And so marks versus percentile, what will be the marks versus percentile? So you can rely on that video, that is marks versus percentile will be similar, but you can get those percentile in less marks also, because the paper was moderate to tough. So people don't able to solve more number of questions, as they don't have the good preparation because of the first attempt of this year it is. So thanks for watching the video, and um, stay tuned for this stay tuned for the next video that I will upload on the solution of each and every subject. Each question you will get there, so that you can estimate yourself. So thanks for watching again. Please subscribe this channel, you will get all the video future also. Thanks.